What's up, guys? Doing a rocker arm on the rear head here on a ProMaster 2016. This is my own personal vehicle. Just wanted to put a quick one up here for the start of it. Obviously, you got to get off all the intake tubing first. I'll show you here real quick. This guy. This is the front of the air dam. This guy. Random bolts, washer cap and stuff. But I noticed that no one's really put up this video except on 3.6s other than the ProMaster. But and I've seen other people struggling to get the air dam off. Let me tell you how to get the air dam off without taking off the windshield wipers. So first thing is obviously you're going to get your cabin filter off, which goes in here. There's two little screws here that go up top there. Pull this rubber surround off that you saw inside of there. And then you're gonna have to get these two top bolts here. Now, in order to, here, let me just go set this back down. Not remove the windshield wiper. What you do is you're gonna see this guy right here, which is fucking pain in the ass to get out of there on this one because this has been crashed. So I just pulled that bolt out here, which is in there. There's a little 10mm back here. Anyway, you might not be able to see it in the light. You may be able to just pop this guy up. You should be able to. On mine, it's just was so tight, I just took off the bolt to make it easier because I was struggling with it. Anyway, that one, take off these two screws here so that this one pops up, because these bolts that you take out of the top of here, there's 110 here, and then there's 110 here, are pretty tall. So that's why other guys think you got to take the whole windshield wiper set off. No. Just loosen this up so that it moves up a bit and pull your bolts out. Once you've done that, like I said, take off the cabin filter, and that gives you access to 1, 2, 3 bolts in here. So you can see some asshole crash, some jerk crash this. Excuse my language. That's bent right there. And you broke the back of the box. It's the nicest stuff you discover when you take it apart. There's also one 10mm in the back. Sorry. Anyway, it's in the very back up top. So once you get those, then you can just get this thing out. It's probably going to be hard to do with this into my hand, but here you go. Bam, out. There's a rubber hose on the bottom that connects to the bottom of the ram intake thing box, and then this hose. And then you're out of there, dude. Not as hard as dude made it look like in the one video I was watching, so I just thought I'd help you guys out. I've been a mechanic for 30 years, so I'm pretty good at this stuff. Hopefully they don't delete my video because I swore. I'd have to edit that out. Anyway, now we get to take off the plenum. Next video. See you soon.